Hi guys, and welcome back on GSM ABC YouTube channel. In this tutorial I will show you how to enter and exit from download mode on Samsung Galaxy S8 and S8 Plus. So let's do it. First thing that you must do is to power off your phone and hit power off and wait a few seconds. And now you must push and hold the volume down button, the Bixby button and the power button, all three together. So let's do it. Volume down, Bixby and power button. And now we have a warning. Okay, and to continue just press volume up. To cancel volume down, let's press volume up. And here is the download mode. Now you can connect your phone to your computer and update your phone with Odin software. So here is the download mode. I hope you see it. Okay. Now to exit from download mode, you must push and hold the volume down button and the power button. Let's do it for a few seconds. Just push it. And now you can remove your fingers, and here is my phone. Okay, so this was my short tutorial for today. I hope to be useful for you, and have a nice day.